guys how to view your most played music on Spotify. So there's two ways out of it. The first way is to use Spotify's recommendation page, and the other is to use a third-party app or a software. All right. So let's get on. So the first way to look is through Spotify. So it's not gonna show you the most played song directly by pressing a button. There is a page called Made for You over here, which plays you the recommended song. So it plays you the song which you most listen to and the song you prefer to. Spotify algorithm will check what type of song you mostly listen to, and it's gonna display it over here. So over here it shows I listen to Billie Eilish song most and then the Weekend song most, and it has made a playlist according to that. So I can click on it and then listen to the song which Spotify thinks is good for me. So there's one way to look at it, but it still doesn't shows me which song I listen to the most. And the other way to look at it is through other website. So I'm going to be taking you to other website called My Top Spotify. So for this, you want to go to your web browser and you want to search for, after searching for My Top Spotify, you want to click on where it says mytopspotify.io. And once you come to this website, you want to log in into your account. So I'm going to log in into my Spotify account over here. After you log in into it, it's going to show you all the top tracks you listen to the most. So right now it shows me I listen to 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 music the most, How It Feels, 𝐘𝐨 Dissimulation, and the other is Monotero by Lil Nas X, and the other is Boop T. So it's gonna show you all the list of songs which I mostly listen to. So yeah, this is one way to know legitly my top for Spotify. You can go to this website to see. So that's basically how you guys can view your most played music on your Spotify account.